Good day, all pet matters. Today we're going to talk about the virgin coconut oil. Virgin coconut oil is good for dogs. There are many ways your dog can benefit from using the virgin coconut oil. You can put this into your dog coat to make it shine, and the tick and fleas don't like the smells of this, but the dog likes it, you see. And this virgin coconut oil is safe for dog. You can put this, a little bit of this, to your dog food if they are pricky, or if you want to give a medicine tablet to your dog. Instead of using peanut butter, you can also use this virgin coconut oil, because the dog, as you can see, love it so much. Also, when you have senior dog, or if your dog have cracks on their skin, or they have some tick or fleas bite, you can rub this with oil, because this virgin coconut oil is antifungal, antiviral, so it's very good for dogs. So now we're going to apply this on our dog's coat. Okay, if you have cold weather, you can use this for your dogs before going out for a dog walk. Okay, and also this virgin coconut oil is also good for losing weight for your dogs. When you like to give this as a supplement, food supplement for your dogs, you should ask your vet first, so the vet will give you guidance on how to give the exact amount of this virgin coconut oil for your dog, because it's always depends on weight of our dog. There are many kinds of virgin coconut oil. Okay, make sure that is not cooked or not processed, because coconut oil or coconut cooking oils is different from virgin coconut oil. So we're going to apply this on our dog's coat. Just rub this first. The dog likes it. No. This is also antimicrobial. Okay. So just make sure that we rub the coconut oil until the dog skin. So the skin will absorb the oil, because the virgin coconut oil is good for dog skin. Virgin coconut oil is also good for humans too, but we don't use the same virgin coconut oil that we use to dogs and then later you use for humans consumption. We need to use separate bottles. Disclaimer, don't use virgin coconut oil during hot season because this virgin coconut oil has like it's a little bit hot in the skin. So if we like to give this to our dogs, make sure that it's like late in the afternoon and the sun is going down already. This is also good for the dogs with allergies. So, if our dog have allergies, skin allergy, it is better to consult the veterinarian. And if we like to apply the virgin coconut oil in our dog with allergy, skin allergy, we need to cut the dog coat very short. So that we can maximize the oil usage. One more and we're done. Now, going to comb him. Use milk coconut. Virgin coconut oil is also good for human hair. So what is good for human is also good for dogs when it comes to virgin coconut oil. And if our dog have dandruff or flakes, it also help to control the dog flakes. As in anything else, or as in everything, too much is always very bad. Okay, too less and too bad is not good. So we just do this in moderation. Also, when you give to your dog coconut virgin coconut oil in their foods. Don't put too much virgin coconut oil. That's why we need to ask the vet for their guidance. Go. And that's our video for today. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you again on our next video. Bye bye.